Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So today we're going to be doing some close-up swatches of the BH Weekend Vibes Avocado Toast palette. Wanted this palette for what seems like an eternity now. I've been umming and ahhing about it for a while, and I think I did get it discounted. I can't remember how much I paid for it. But yeah, I just thought I would get this. I got it a couple of weeks ago, I think. Can't remember exactly how long ago, but it does seem like a couple of weeks ago, right before I started my job, or it could have come in just as I did start my job, and that's why I've not done swatches. So it looks like that. And I believe this palette, I believe this palette is a really nice one. I wouldn't mind the blueberry muffin one as well. So I have swatched a few of the shades, like this shade here and this shade down here, but overall not so much swatching's been going on. So we're going to do this now. I might have to take the zoom off. Right, so we're just going to do what we normally do. I normally work across. So we've got avocado, we've got avocado. Ooh, that's nice. That is a really nice inner corner, isn't it? I'm just going to pop a bit more on, just so the camera picks it up. That's it there. Can you see it? That would make a really nice highlighter for my fair skin as well. You know, like a face highlighter. The next shade is Pink Salt. So that one's Pink Salt. The next shade is Expensive. Oh, that one feels smooth. Look at that, guys. Pretty. So that's that one there. So how are you all doing? I do feel like I don't really have that much time to jump on camera these days. Yesterday at work was a complete nightmare, guys. I felt like just saying, right, I'm not coming back. It was that bad. But what I've done is I've made the decision I probably won't stay on full time. I'm looking for work now. I've still got another 11 weeks there. I would like to see out the contract there, but I mean, it's really pulling on my back. I'm having to put heat rub on my back every single shift, sometimes twice throughout the shift, and you can only use it 3 times in a day. So I'm not happy about that, and I'm not feeling it as much as I was when I first started using it, so that means my body's getting immune to it, and I don't really want to do myself a mischief. The boxes are just so heavy, like they're 25 kilos. There was one yesterday at 44, and I'm like, I'm really struggling with this here now. So yeah. Right, so the next shade is Spicy. This one feels a bit rougher to the touch, but it is super pretty. It's like an olive shade. Actually, it's not. It's more like a brown bronze. Really grungy, like dark brown bronze shade. But it looks olive in the pan there. So who's got this palette? Let me know in the comments down below. The next shade is Lemon Pepper. It's swatching really well. Well, that's pretty. The next shade is Avocado Toast. That blends out like a dream. The next shade is Ripe, which is slightly darker. So that one's Ripe. The next shade is Hass. Ooh, look at that though, guys. going to do another swatch of that. That is pretty. Third row. The next shade is Over Easy. Nothing too special about that, I don't think. Would probably make a good blending out shade. That's Over Easy. The row mattes on this third row. The next shade is Superfood. So that one is Superfood. The next shade is Paprika. Beautiful. That's Paprika. And the last shade on that row is Pit. I think them two shades there go really, really nice together. Them two with this shade here would look stunning. So I'm already in my own mind, I'm coming up with looks while I'm swatching the palette. This is why I like doing these first impression videos, just to get a feel for the looks that I do when I use it. So we've got 2 shimmers and 2 mattes in the last row. So we've got Green Juice. Oh, that's nice. Just bear in mind, as I go up my arm, it gets a lot drier. If I'm going to do these swatch videos quite a lot, I need to invest in a good moisturiser. Now, people are telling me that Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, that's meant to be good. I might get one of them. So, I've never had one of them before, the Bum Bum Cream. So that one is Green Juice. The next one is Guac. G-U-A-C, I think that's how you pronounce it. So that's that one. And then the last shimmer is called Extra. Oh my gosh, is that not me in an eyeshadow? Very grungy. It will look really, really smoky, but that is stunning. Extra. And it is Extra. And then we've got Holy Moly, which is a really dark green matte. And that's that one. So that's all the swatches. Right, so what I'm going to do now is take these off, and we're going to do some even closer up swatches with this little template here, and then we'll be done. Right guys, so it's a bit holographic, just ignore that, but this is the close-up swatches. And then the close-up swatches on my hand, on my arm should I say. But yeah, I feel like this palette is a very, very stunning palette. It's absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to use it. When that will be, I don't know. I've got quite a lot of these kind of videos to do just on the new palettes that have come in. Got a bit of a problem with a Colourpop palette. I've ordered it from Beauty Boxes by Tammy, and I've ordered palettes from her before, and Hermes are saying that there was some information missing from the actual package of my address. well, no, I've checked with Beauty Boxes by Tammy, and she's got the correct address. She's packaged it up being the correct address, and now I'm worried I'm not going to get it. It's the limited edition Colourpop Gather Round Sisters palette, and I'm worried I'm not going to get that now. So let's see what happens. Watch this space, and hopefully I'll be doing swatches on that really soon. So guys, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching again today. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.